Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Last night I did a video on this, so will be part 2 of this. I made it a lot easier to snap these two items together. In that video I was having trouble and I can't figure out anything mathematically. So what I did is let me just kind of do this again. Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 270 degrees. And then I actually just kind of ballparked it up here and then I hit T to put them on top. But the line is different. It's a little thicker here. So with my nudge factor set pretty low, I'm going to just go where it's a little bit past there. Now I'm going to measure this and it's 14.96 across. So I made a rectangle that's 14.95. They will snap to the corner. And then you can Control D and make a duplicate, mirror them both direction, and have these two snap to the corner. Then you're done. I've taken away the indexing line so they won't get in the way. Let's zoom in here a little bit, take the virtual segment delete key, and just delete that outer line. Make sure you delete the outer line on all of them so you'll have a smooth surface. And then we can do what we did last night with this Smart Fill tool, fill that in, get the interactive fill tool, swipe across, put dark on that one there. Whoop, I didn't hit the line. Sometimes that transparency, there we go, and I want a little red. I don't want so much dark so close, and I've got it. Control, I'm going to bring in my indexing lines now, or really I probably got them, I just turn them on. You can turn them on and off. It's Control D to make a duplicate. Move the center rotation to the center. If you're not on that X, that happens. Rotate it 90 degrees, Control D, 180 degrees, Control D, and then take away the outline by right-clicking no fill. Take away your indexing lines, and you have that pattern that's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.